God the win. And no more, I don't buy more to God the win. They say my market no go sell, but God the win them. And then me say I no go blue, but God the win them, my brother. Make them try their luck, my God the win. No, my God the win. No, my Lord the win, no. Anything I do, not God the win. No, not God the win. No, not God the win, no. As you don't pass exam, now God the win. And then me say you no go pass, for God the win. You wake up, see to the last song, now God the win. Robbers, they rob, they don't see you, brother. They don't see you, my sister. Oh, yeah, better.
Kill it. Yeah, the winner. Anything I do, not God the win. Not God the win. Not God the win.
Listen,
okay.
As we don't come this bar,
now God the win. Hey, and we go drink again. God the win. Hey, and we go talk the matter. God the win. Hey,
and then Shakara and the gang. Now
God the win.
God the brother.
God the win.
What's up?
Yo, yes, if you just following you now to the drum regularly for here, this one at the show with the tutorial you give you every church and things we concern bubbles and babies them. Then why we they call the show Bubbles Yarn. Yes, so you know, say that so we they send you every day, Monday to Friday, every night, give you the church and things and the specific things them. Yes, I beg. You know, I know if you deal without my criminals them. Shakara want to say something. Yes, sir.
Recording now with investment. You understand? About relationship too. I know whether I here I see the picture. I no agree bring the picture more because the picture no be waiting to show people. One woman for Bini, on a worry woman, she caught her husband. John Thomas caught because jealousy.
He come out the John Thomas.
Yeah, he caught him. Come out. They arrest her. After when they come off for bar, I go show.
What make him just jealous?
You know say this thing.
Say because of jealousy.
This thing don't come dey rampant now.
She caught him come out, and I believe say she go don drug the man because especially with man wey dey alive, wey dey the hand make you hold man like this, cut in this thing, even though the man na beside.
Go don do something first.
You understand? You go don first do and now I see say that will not be anger, na wickedness. You know say anger na when somebody do something, you just carry something, hit his head.
Spur of the moment.
So when they call, they ask you for police station, you call the station,
but this why they look something where you don't say you always love.
On the slicer.
You call that slice. You just say this thing. It looks like meat. If I cannot,
now the unhappy news, so I just hear. I just say, man,
I think unhappy for you.
No, honestly, no. I go talk like that now. Show my see why.
But you know, say that thing and the instrument.
This kind of way happen now. I still say now unhappy news. This one they ask me say why it go be. If I say I want slap and I go say I talking. Okay, it's a good news.
No, be saying
no, that's good news.
No.
Tell people say now say you be Yaro Shetan. Or you tell them myself.
How they worry be say why you take worry like this? It be like say you get the
no, but say this thing where you can't talk now. You know say that's actual thing. Man machine gun. Now wetin make a man now.
Now.
You don't understand? Now that machine gun go use it.
Why man go use that anyhow? They go up and down.
Anyhow, what you they talk?
They shoot bullets.
That one don't even bring me to
matter. They feel jealous.
It don't bring me to matter.
No, if it happen to that man, because water will touch head, touch leg.
He go fit touch you. So that means repent.
No, my show, tell me what you want tell me to do.
I beg, see, this matter, may we even leave because it's a very serious matter, but I want more to talk about something today because I know say different confusions. Even people they fight on top of husband and wife, then they fight on top of this thing. I want to ask a simple question: who supposed name Pikin? If you born Pikin, if you born, say okay, you don't mind now.
Papa,
your wife born,
mama,
who supposed name am? Say na papa, say na mama, na grandmother, na grandfather, na your in-laws. Now who supposed give a name? When we say, you know, the Pikin supposed beer.
Shakara.
Because really, I don't see couple where we say they fight on top of this matter, like serious quarrel.
Make I answer Mutula first. You say inexperience, Abi. You experience because you don't born children.
I say you don't get children everywhere.
Your matter go come outside. No wonder we see one boy the other day wake up in the session. Where we had things for hand. I slap the guy picture now. Everything.
Shall you use that boy?
With this.
I know say the boy said, nah, like this the boy again.
Excuse
we
me.
know.
Excuse me. Shakara, please. Right on with.
No, it's the truth.
Shakara.
Who's supposed name Pikin?
I feel say na the papa. That is the man, the immediate,
the father itself.
the first donor of what brought.
What do you mean by the first donor?
You know, say some people.
What do you say? Some people. Wait. Why you say first donor? You can't be like say. Some people don't need it. When they wire the woman, so the one the last one where enter.
You know, say now second hand full everywhere. We all let make Nigerians like second hand. And they say that second hand the last part. Say new thing, new one really land. I make. Sorry, you're mad about someone. I mean, if you marry virgin tear rubber, you know, say she never had experience, never exposed. So one of them married, that time she go on begin do all those things. Marriage will come break up. No wonder they say new things, no they last like second hand. You know second hand, where they don't use them.
They don't use that one. You don't say that one. You know they. But like I had the question because how you go talk say person wife now? I say the main. Or the first donor.
And now the family.
Okay. If you pay, you buy the phrase. The original papa. the original. You know, you get many people where they pay other children school fees for this Lagos.
Yes.
Even for Nigeria.
Yes, yes.
Get people they pay school. You don't know say another person school fees they pay. Check. Okay. So now the main guy we get the pikin, I suppose.
But some families, they get one particular family where beside go the pikin naming ceremony where we say now the name where the man papa put for ground because the guy now the first son. So the name where him papa put for ground, say me call the boy. Now the guy say
the man, this the papa never even see the pikin.
Okay. Well, nothing of choice. You know, some people get this special respect for their parents. You get the role where your parents don't play for. Like my mom, when I read my mom, I'm not sure say I go born pikin and then my mom come tell me say she get name, but she won't give it to make her declare.
Oh, she go. Your mom will tell you where.
No, I just assume.
You know why?
Wait, they come. You know why my mom still tell me? No, besides, no say she go tell me and she never even talk anything go that side. The only thing what they talk they say.
How your mother want us to go that side? When you never even cross the first.
You understand?
You know, when you born.
So, like, I they give instance now. Some people get this cordial relationship. Not be saying a relationship itself. If they get incidents, we don't happen between.
Like for instance, I say
mama and papa. I mean, pikin and mom or dad. You understand? We go come make
the special experience. We go make you one name am.
We go make you one say okay, you name am.
And I been here one particular time say my own name self say that my grandmama give me the name.
Yes, because you see, most times most grandparents or most parents they always get influence in the name. That's why you go see most children they get like three names. The one way the mother give them. Because for instance, now, if you marry a woman where you come from different states from where you come from. Now,
okay, let's say for instance you marry Yoruba woman now.
That's why most times now you go notice see that family now that naming process no be problem because the mother now go give them
one name
Yoruba name. The father go give them maybe Igbo name. You understand? Then maybe now whoever be the grandparents will really get much interest and most times the pikin look like the grandmother or look like something or they already talk one thing before the pikin be born say they must do or the pikin there are some signs wey go fit show sometimes if you knack pikin on Monday the day when you knack her wey you know say na that you give am Monday
yes
the day when you knack her you understand
and then another reason why some people they allow their parents their grandparents also name their children some they believe in luck say that grandmama get one special luck because all her children which she name one day abroad, one minister, one at this. Yes, you understand? And they tell you now when you are well traveled.
So you don't go travel, go reach village.
I'm telling you, I don't just when I travel.
Yes,
I
you are well traveled to the village.
I they go villages, I they go places. I know about 70% of Nigerian tradition Understand?
You know what?
I'm proud of you. Suru now.
Hey, you.
I'm proud of you.
You should be ashamed of this guy.
I'm proud of you.
You know, over 70 villages, you don't go knock for every house. Say, I want to marry your pikin. They don't agree for that. They knock here.
I no say go knock. You go knock.
How you go take those 70 villages?
And 70 villages plenty.
How many girls can never take for life?
See now, what I've known, it's helping you in the bar.
Excuse me?
You are learning
nothing
from
what
what
I'm saying. Nothing when you talk now, say you say villages.
But thank God say people they watch for house.
Okay, you want name your own pikin.
I'm not talking about. They talk of instances.
But you don't name your own pikin.
I make I get the pikin first.
But you know,
they buy motor before they buy spare tire.
Say, for instance, now me.
You get some families where we say then they fight on top of this matter because I get one couple where we say the woman talk say the boy parents no go name him pikin.
The boy parents.
Yes, say the any name where they give am no be the pikin go they use.
Why?
So the name fit just there aside.
Why?
But now the name where she and the guy.
And again, some people even believe in spirituality. Like now your wife mama now one big pastor. Understand? And I won't give her the opportunity based on say, and I believe say, you know, say she dey connect to God.
I don't give anybody that right. Only if now like Buhari daughter now I marry. Now Buhari fit say, okay, yes, we are going to name, but no other person. You want to have that money to influence my own life.
You should say Buhari will even give you that chance. We don't pursue stations to come cover you. Okay, which people are outside to cover? Was over come inside.
Come inside.
Cool up. This one. Soon as I get hey, outside. Go back down.
I don't want to ever see you.
See you.
I beg when we rush enter street, we'll go do a go for streets. When we come back, we go they talk the matter. They go, who suppose born picking? They think we they come back.
Papa, mama, or in-laws? Of course, my dad.
For me, I go name my pikin.
Well, I'm a Yoruba man. I'm from Ondo State. Huh? Now, father and I the name pikin.
Now the papa.
Na papa now.
It's papa.
My grandpapa fee name am. My direct papa fee name am. All names na name.
To name pikin na between the wife and the husband, and they name their pikin. Na two of them go talk with you, bring a name that will name their pikin. No be mama or papa. Yeah, mama and papa if you bring their in-laws. If you bring their own names, but let me say, now you go pass one with the papa and the mama go give their pikin.
You see something? So far, my father is alive. So my firstborn is my father. My father must give my baby first name after I, then my wife.
Anybody we like making name the one way you go like to they call the pikin. So for me, anybody can name the pikin. Now me marry my wife. Number one. Then number two. The day where I marry my wife name change to my name. Our Bible talk and say, now husband be the head of the house. So that's the reason that Papa, now the one go give name to the what? To the pikin.
Once I'm born, I have to, even though my father don't do it, I will make sure I get contact with him. Say, the name of this pikin, what you want give him, which name you want give him. So now my father and I need pikin. But if you happen to say whether my place, father, papa no day again, maybe your father no day, maybe don't day late, or your mother, you must have senior one. We will give you name of the pikin.
Like me, I never married, but I feel say na father supposed to name him pikin. Because na father na get the baby now. Now two of us follow, but man na be the head from time of Adam. Na Adam na name all those animals now, not be Eve. So na man supposed to name pikin.
Yes, so now welcome back. Now say Bobo Zian una dey watch, and the matter we dey talk about today. Now say who suppose name pikin? That a matter we dey talk about. And I see they inside this bar with my criminals them. You know, see the other time I go dey talk say who born pikin. Let's say to born pikin said they hungry me.
This thing.
But you know, say you get different cultures there.
Yeah, true.
And different places.
I get cultures where they give directive on how to go about naming.
But why?
But now, see me again, I got to think of my own I will feel say I suppose involve my wife.
True.
seek her opinion. Not beside the time she named the pikin, because you know, say that process of 9 months. Now she gets some kind thing where she don't feel. Maybe the way the baby they kick. Maybe
and connection they did.
Maybe again when you know you say married women get the day will be say baby kick one thing happen. Maybe the baby just bring about some kind lock or change or one thing. You understand? Maybe watch. Maybe that day, as you come back, you say, they don't give me to work. She goes, no wonder. The baby, they do something. You know, it get one connection. So I go like involve her, say, you know, but you understand? Because she go get
her own side. Even before most couples, even before they even begin crank or even begin score that goal.
And some
they don't already discuss.
They don't get list
some never discuss. Some, especially our guests.
Yeah.
They get names so they won't give their first speaking.
You understand?
Because so this one now they don't follow culture. They follow trendy.
They follow trendy.
They say this one is Quintina. This one is Tresindia. If you carry list come my house of children, I don't know where you are.
No, but now like me, I know clearly say. If I get female pikin as the first child, which I know say the first pikin where I won't get with that, I would naturally give them either not even my mother's name first, my wife's name, because the woman where I go marry, I know say I love her so much. So if I marry maybe Betiana, you understand? I just call my pikin. Not be Betiana where you know. I just think of name went out my head. You understand?
And at the same thing, and our campaign.
No wala.
But no campaign after election. She has been taken.
So okay, I don't forget Buhari pikin name.
Nadia. Nadia Buhari.
So, this guy is... You guys, let me, I want to drop it, I want to this people crazy. So, now, if you know say you love your wife so much, you understand? Most likely, you go want either choose. And if not boy, where I come born first, I'll give her my name. You understand? Showman Junior.
But you know, say get some families they believe, say some families they believe in reincarnation. Say they born this pikin.
Now
it look like grandpa.
Now that's where all these people. For me,
so at that point, now like their grandfather or you know, like Tunde Rajina. You know, say name Baba Tunde.
Now in father, great
Papa will come back.
The problem where you go get the same with those kind of names. Like if you use Tunde now as example.
Yeah.
If you look Tunde now, you go see say. You say as Tunde now, Conde very useless, everything, you understand? So you don't go mind, you go check, say, maybe where this thing they come from. If you say that for me, father, so
why you call it
I say no, wait now. I
don't understand.
You know what I talk to? But you don't go carry name of like that. If person carry my great grandfather name, you don't say that Ashawo.
That's how everyone talks.
Come go give. You have to check all those things.
You know, say no matter even the Yoruba people they give Baba Tunde. You know, say if they know say they are grandpapa na heavy drunkard.
They don't go like that.
They can't born you. You resemble the grandpapa. They say Baba Odeo.
So like that today now, if you don't change today name now, you understand? Because you go tell say most likely now waiting in grandfather be the.
I feel the ball for.
Now they do them.
You know, but some families they may we even go back to that culture side of them because some families they make them very mandatory. Say now this line you go take follow. If Papa no dey or uncle dey. Somebody there, you know that kind of thing. They say, okay, now these people, now go name the pikin. But before we even enter that place, our women them don't wait. Make we rush do CC opinion. When we come back, we go still continue the matter. Who suppose name pikin? They think will they come back?
Hey.
See story for this thing, no?
Now the mama and papa now. So them go agree name pikin.
Mama can name pikin. Anybody.
Nah, I mean, not people now.
Depends for the family where you come from. Some family, their in-laws go on name pikin, and some family again, an arrangement between the husband and wife.
That's on a serious matter, cause me, I like to be in charge when it comes to that.
So the papa feel name in pikin, and sometimes mama feel say na the kind name you want. So now the love you get for your husband, then you feel agree.
I can do it myself because it's my child, so I can name my child myself.
I feel saying I'm supposed to name my pikin. I must suppose they involved. I must, if they not be saying I mean name, but I must be consulted for that because my matter, my own whatever must they considered. So even if my husband people them, they say I then won't carry the thing for head, may they involve me, make I see what they talk about before they go name. And my pikin, you know now. So any which way, I must know about them. So I feel name am. They feel name am, but make I dey involved. Now that won't consign me, shall.
I'm going for 9 months. Now me go come see name Nana. Before you come name me own. You no understand? Because I know the pain when me go through, when me come for belly. So before you go answer, now me go come Nana first. You go own name me known. But now my own name, now you go the answer. Because I mean I dey stay for us. No anything about am. Thank you.
Nice.
So because saying, I'm not going to come me and then they say for us.
For us. Let me give a name.
Thank you.
But in a way, I won't agree with that woman because somehow, I don't feel say man, like you say, picking kick or one thing. I don't feel say man supposed to get the final or full right. Why?
No, the man. You know, you are not a man.
Like that?
If you're a man,
if you are married, you won't be saying what you are saying.
It's not even being married. I'm talking about being a man. You're not a man here.
Okay,
you just have beards.
Okay, man.
You just have beards. Now listen to a man.
The role of being a real man is to accept and come down low, allow your wife to do some things.
Listen. Step down low and allow your wife to do it. You don't need to step low. You are low already. Your height. Understand? That's why, you know, people like Showman, if your wife won't ask you for something, they go be like, say they insult you because they tell you, say, honey, I want it. But people like us, our wife won't ask us, they look up to us.
They look up to you.
Like say, baby.
You never see my way to pass you.
Baby, please. You
never see my way to pass you.
Understand?
My Juliet Prime, if she start now, she look down on you.
But the truth
I
of
like
the matter
your paper wife them on paper.
On paper, Juliet Ibrahim, all of them.
We'll go to two battles. Forget this Juliet Ibrahim. Let's back to the matter.
Now, okay, what if, let's go into the matter like this. Let's leave grandparents and everybody. What if between the papa and the mama, two of them get strong argument of which person name they want me to pick in the beer?
That's what I'm saying. Now, if two of them really want, and as a man will be the head of the family, me and feel say man supposed just say, okay, if this one bring issue, you understand? A woman we don't carry pikin for like 9 months inside the belly. I feel say he supposed to get more of the right, and I go stay with, now in breast, now he go suck. I feel say he's supposed.
But at the end of the day, if family go take find that they go feel say the.
For instance, do you know that what of
because you need to be very
careful
for Africa.
You know what I feel say that woman supposed to give
why? You need to be very careful for Africa.
Let me tell you what I feel say. For instance, now we said it before. Now you say the real donor. The only woman I know who be the real father of the pikin. So what if she don't say this pikin? Don't be you get this pikin.
She'll call you, block you from naming the pikin. But luckily enough, in Africa or Nigeria per se, there's room for as many names as possible. A whole lot of
but there's always one that's in the house.
Always one.
There's always one
that one go be the main name. Because some others go come talk say, okay, I don't name my pikin Christopher, or I don't name my pikin Daniel.
What of if,
so that is it another Daniel she wants
if your wife now Muslim now and your husband now Christian, which name? So they have to now choose one name. After you don't give one Muslim name, one Christian name, they can't want one neutral name.
Say
now the name where they call them for house.
And
now we talk now one a Muslim, one a Christian. They want a certain name where we say.
You don't understand.
So what do they do?
Name be the most
what will you now do at that point?
If at that point, now the name where go stand inside the house now because the woman now go they call the pikin Christopher, while the man they call her Ismaila. The woman they call her Christopher. So at the end of the day, the woman will be say other people imbibed. Now it go stand the more because inside two of them, if the man won't talk to the because this kind of cases don't happen. The man will call them the Muslim name, the woman they call them Christian. But the neighbors and the first people will go they carry the name go outside from small family friends.
I know before we go carry us go around segment. I feel say for me to make matters they made this thing you won't die. If I go come back, I know I'll talk to you when you come back.
Yeah, when I don't hear the matter what they talk about, now say who supposed name picking, but one rush the world don't spoil that segment with the Sanjina better things. Where we say they happen before. You know, they happen again now. When they come back, what don't spoil. Not go anywhere. Please, this word don't spoil goes to all the women out there. All of them. Now they cause her.
Meanwhile, everyone challenge this word don't spoil. Say,
why?
Say, even up till now, you can marry with 100,000 naira. I can
now
manage
you
the
never
event.
marry.
I can
now
manage.
You never marry.
See, if you are ready,
now you never marry.
I can manage the
what is
event
if you are ready?
Of 100,000
no, if
100,000 naira with food and
everything. What is me?
Yes, with food.
I cannot
with
marry
food,
100K.
With food. I can manage the event.
Why
of
are you not married till now?
Do you know we
How
have?
much is
Do you know we have
alone?
where they pay 10,000 naira for venue? I'm coming. Even on the island.
Why you smile? Why you smile when you talk about? Why you smile?
Do you know there's a place opposite Eco Hotel? As Eco Hotel, this so opposite Eco Hotel, that you can get for 10,000 naira to use the full field of the primary school. The primary school opposite, I'm telling you, they do where they did.
That one another day matter we will talk that matter seriously. But I beg,
we cannot. I beg.
We not say situations no day as it supposed day before. But anything we say your man gets, you say try support them, make things go the way things supposed go. And please, our government make una do something sharp because time no be our friend again. Give me just
my final
one
take.
word. Yes,
I feel say for the issue of who's supposed to name pikin, if you reach that point where we say, okay, now girl, una born, I go prefer make the mother, you understand? Because most likely the mother go one day with him. Then if na boy, you understand, make the father now. Because most time men they always want to instill and imbibe that, you know, so that manly thing. I just feel so that supposed to.
Okay, this naming pikin thing, I feel at the end of the day, now the woman.